how to create this website using WooCommerce and WordPress. As you can see, this is a e-commerce website. You can buy and sell you can just buy your fridges, and these are the categories: single door, double door, and side by side door, and about a section. And these are the products on sale. These fridges are on sale. You can see 9%, 11%, 44%, 7% discounts, and you can get 15% discount on this coupon, and you are going to see how to get this coupon work. And these are the popular products. You can set these products as a featured product as well. Now finally you can have your services section. So on the shop page you can see the list of fridges available. Overall we have 6 fridges here. You can filter and you can search by name. You can see these are the fridges available in our shop. Let me filter by price, which is below 19,000. so these two are available, 10,000 and 14,000. So this is below 19,000. Now you can view individual items. So this is the individual item. You can see the image is large. We can view it as a full size as well, and it is a slider. And these are the description and the price, and it's on sale, that's why it's 10,000. and with a description, and you can add this to the cart, and this is on the category of single door, and description, additional description if you want you can add, and you can leave a review. Let me leave a review. Click on submit. You can see the review is available over here as well, and this is the review we left, and this is the upsell product. The related products appears here. Now this is the second product, same as the previous which I have shown you. Now we are going to see the shipping rate according to the weight. If the weight is 20 to 30 kg, the shipping rate is 150 rupees. If it is 30 to 50, it's 250 rupees. If it is 50 to 80, it's 350 rupees. Cool. To make this work, and for the fridges it's 28% GST, and we are going to see how to calculate GST as well. So this is a single door, and this is double door, and this is side by side door, and based on that we have added the shipping rate as well. We are adding one single door to the cart, and this is how it looks. It's actually a double door, and this is single door, and side by side door. We're going to see how the shipping rate is applied. Based on the weight, as I said, it's 40 to 50 kg side by side door, and you can view it on the cart. Let's proceed to checkout. Before that, let me show you the cart. So this is how it looks. If you want, you can click on X and remove the item from the cart, and click on proceed to checkout. Now here if you see, let me fill the data. If it is Maharashtra, then the shipping rate is free. The shipping is free. Let me add the pin code. And you can see the shipping is free. It's because it's in Maharashtra. If I make it other than Maharashtra, let me take it as Andhra Pradesh, and you will see the shipping rate 500 rupees. It's because it's calculated according to the weight. I'll show you how it is calculated. Actually it should calculate it based on 150 plus 250 plus 350. There is some problem in here. I'll solve it while showing the tutorial. Let's just proceed to checkout, and this is how you check out. You are about to pay for the fridges which you are about to buy. So we are going to implement Razor Pay. here you have the option of net banking, card and pay later. In the previous tutorial I have shown you how to add UPI as well. These are the bankings and these are pay laters. So let me paste the duplicate MasterCard and CVV number and proceed to pay any expiry numbers, expiry date of future. And as you know the process, you will know the OTP, you will get the OTP and it says you have successfully paid for the fridge. And this is how you look once the payment is done. It's the total price, this is the shipping price. At present showing wrong, but I'll show you how it's done. And this is the tax. As I said, it's 28% GST in India. Now this is for the consumer end. Let me do an individual, let me pick an individual and add this to cart. So let me proceed to checkout. For the weight 50 to 60 it should be 350, but if we have 50 rupees is added as a flat price, so it's showing 400. We are going to see how to check this, so how to make this. If I make this a single door, this is a single door, let me remove the side by side, and this is single door. The single door weight lies on 20 to 30 and the prices should be 150 plus 50 rupees extra, so it should be 200 rupees, sorry 300 rupees. You can see it's 30 to 50, so 250 plus 50 it's 300. I thought it's a single door, but it's a double door. If you want, you can enter the coupon. As we have already seen on the home page, the coupon code is available on the home page, and once you apply the coupon code there would be a discount. So you can see there is a discount of rupees 1500, which is 15% discount. So let's start by installing the WordPress. Our latest WordPress is WordPress 6. It's available, I have placed it on the XAMPP htdocs. I have downloaded the zip file, pasting it and extracting it. Extract it. So you will be getting the WordPress folder. This WordPress folder acts as your website, so you can access this using localhost / before that I'm getting into the phpMyAdmin to create a database. You need to create database in phpMyAdmin in order to install WordPress. You just need to create a database, that's it. WordPress will do all the jobs for you. And as you can see, it is blank, it has nothing inside. So now in the htdocs we have a WordPress folder. Let me rename this to our website name, which is online refrigerator. You can access this using localhost / online refrigerator. Now the wizard will set up on its own. You just have to click go, and you need to add the database credential. The database we have created is online registration, and the username and password is this for the XAMPP. Run the installation, and the site title you can have anything, and we are going to create the login sign up page. This is a sign up page. This is username and password we need to add whenever we want to log in into the dashboard. So let me get into the dashboard using the created credential. So admin is the credential for now. Now we are going to install the theme Woostify and WordPress, WooCommerce, and these are some additional plugins which we are going to add. I'll explain it one by one as we move along. So let me first install the theme. The theme we are going to use is the Woostify theme. This is how we add our WordPress theme. The WordPress theme is Woostify theme. You just need to install and activate. By the time, let me install the plugin as well. So some plugins like WooCommerce, Elementor we are going to install. This is the WooCommerce. I'm installing it. I hope. Let's activate the theme. Let's search for Elementor. It still is getting loaded. Now I need WooCommerce Sidebar. So to add a filter by product or price and search by name, we need a WooCommerce Sidebar, and this is the wish list which you see. Once I click on the wish list, you can see there was something sliding from the right to left. It's because of that plugin, the TI wish list. Let me activate all by once. Now we are going to create a home page. And let me make container full width, and I don't need sidebar on the home page, and let this be as default. Click on publish, and we can edit it by Elementor. We can view this page by clicking here, and we are going to set this page as a home page. So get into the settings, readings, and a static page, and from the drop down you can get the created home page, which is home-ui monk. If you click on save, whenever you type localhost / online refrigerator, the home page will show up. That's why we have done this. Now we are going to edit this Elementor. We are going to create the section which I have explained you in the introduction part. I'm getting into the customization. To change the layout for the sidebar, I want the left sidebar, so I'm selecting the left sidebar, and I'm going to set the logo. I have created a logo for this shop. So this is a logo which I have created. I'm just cropping it for now. And once you feel right, you can just click on update. It's too big. Now we can set the size as well, logo width. Just drag the slider, and that's done. Now you can add the menu as well. So it's in the appearance menu. Let me create a menu on my name. We are just going to have one menu. So let me add all the available pages for now. You can have your own pages. Once you create the page, you can add it over here. So we just have one page, and these are the pages which is automatically created. Now we need a wishlist page as well. So I'm running the setup. I want it to create automatically. The wishlist page need to be created automatically, and the title is wishlist, and just click on continue, and that's it. Your wishlist page will be created. If you don't want to create this way, you have a WordPress shortcode for that. You can also do that, and while passing the shortcode, it will create a page for you. We have seen it in the previous video. This is the episode number 4. Now we can skip this. So the wishlist page will be created, which you can see on the menus. Appearance, menus. Now wishlist will be available. Now we need to add all the pages. Select all, add to menu, except the sample page. We don't need that. If you want, you can rearrange according to your will. I'm just leaving it as it is, as it's a tutorial. click on save menu. Once you save menu, you will be able to see the logo and the menus on the home page which you have created. And I am getting into the pre-made template, just to not waste time much on designing, because we have a better designing tutorial in this channel. You can view that. So I need the home page, or you can say hero section. Let's pick the one which we like. We want something like, we want to showcase our refrigerator, so let's choose this one. So before that, you have to connect your Elementor with your Gmail. I'm just doing it. So connect. That's it, you're connected. Now you freely use all the templates available in the Elementor. Now let me just remove this video, and we need to add images in place of video. Just click on delete, and over here on the, just drag and drop the images, drag and drop the image module and upload your image. Now I have added the text as well. On the left side, we need to change the background image. I'm just pasting this because it's a vegetable. That's what we buy fridges, to add vegetable. Not, you can have the opacity, change the opacity, because it was too bright, it was overtaking, or it was dominating the front images. You can change the text by clicking on the module. I am again saying this is not the design tutorial for design. This is the WooCommerce tutorial. We will be much focusing on the WooCommerce rather than designing WordPress website. If you want WordPress designing, if you want to create WordPress website and want to focus much on designing, we have a separate playlist for that. Now I'm going to set the height of the fridge of this section, so that once the page loads, it shows like it's taking the full width, not full width, or the 40% of the screen. That's why I have selected VH. It's viewport height. Now cool, this is how it looks. Now let's get into the second section. Reducing the size of the font. If you reduce the height of the image, now you could see the section is just 40%. It's because of the fridge, it's taking the full width. If you leave it this way, it's just a 40% now. So the section moves according to the content. Now we need to add all the categories available. So these are the three categories: single door, double door, and side by side door. So we need 3 columns. Inside we have image and a text. So let's wrap the image module, and let's add the single door over here. You can adjust the height by getting into the side and change the width. Now we need a heading. You can just copy this and paste it over here to have the continuity of the font. Just changing the text and align it. I am going to align it at the center. Just to copy this, or you can see there's a space, widget space for all the element inside the column. You can reduce that to 0. Duplicate this, or you can copy this, paste, again paste, copy the text as well, paste here, paste again, Now you can adjust the width, and you can have, we're going to copy the widget space, which is 0. And this is for double door. This is for side by, previously it was side by side, now it's double door. Let me change the text for the headings. And as we know, we can change the image size by getting into the sizing, width. Cool. Now if we check the live website just by localhost and the folder name, this is how it looks. Menu, header, banner, and the categories. Now we can have the motion effect as well, advanced motion effect. Let's just add fade in. So on page load, the image will fade in. Or once I hover, we can see it's like pulse effect. Hover and change the pulse, change it to pulse. The same for here on the style tab, on the hover tab, and change this to pulse again. Finally, the second part is done. Now we need the third part, which is about us section. We can get this again from the Elementor module, and we need a heading, so that's why I'm copy pasting it. We'll call this as popular products or popular refrigerators. It's up to you according to your product. So the main reason for selecting the fridges is to explain the shipping price according to the weight. Now we need to duplicate this, because similarly we need to call the popular sale products as well. About. So this is the about section of the product, so of the company. You can change the image. I have downloaded the image from the Unsplash. I'm using the Unsplash image, and changing the text. I'm changing the image behind. So I'm using the same image as I have used on the banner. We don't need this, delete it. To remove the margin, padding, make this 0, so there won't be any spaces. Sorry for that. So the about section is done. I'm just changing the text size. You can change the size by typography. If you want, you can add the line head as well. So the about section is also done. Now it's time to create the section for the coupon. So the popular products and the sale products, we need to add the product first before displaying it. So that's why I'm adding this blank. I'm searching for the template for the coupon section. It says 15% discount on this coupon code. And you can have your phone number, and this is not my phone number, it's just a blank. Changing the size of the phone number. I want to make this button section as a call to action section as well. I've changed on hover, there should be change of color. And finally you can have the services section. You can search for the services. So there is the service section. You can choose anyone. I'm just choosing it and leaving it as blank to you. You can have yours. It's like free. You can have free shipping information, or the closing and opening of shop time, and you can have your phone number here in these sections. Cool. So now it's time to add the WooCommerce product. The home page is done. This is how it looks. This is how it looks on the front end of the website. Let's add the coupon section first. Coupon, you can see on the settings, on the WooCommerce settings, I believe we have a coupons. So we need to create a coupon first. Create your first coupon. You need to add your coupon here, and these are the options. I want the percentage discount, so I want the 15% discount. So these are the available options. Do you want to allow free shipping with this coupon? You can have this tick, and you can make this minimum spend and maximum spend of the product, and you can exclude the product, or you can specifically add coupon for a product. That's also can be done. And now we have usage for the coupon, whether it should be used 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, or once in a year, once per user. These are the options for that, and we have created the coupon. That's it. Now we are going to configure the WooCommerce plugin. You need to add the address. So this address would be the shop address. I'm just making this blank. So as you know, I'm operating from India, so I'll use India. Yes, it's India, Maharashtra. Postal code. Selling to all countries? No. Selling to a specific country only, which is only India. Sell to specific country, only India. Shipping location, ship to all countries you sell to? No. Ship to a specific country only, which is again India. Default customer location. You want to enable taxes? Yes, I want to enable GST rates. That's why I'm checking it. So currency position, it's Indian rupee. Click on save. That's it. The first page is done. Now it's the product page. So you want to show all the, so you need to set the shop page first. I'm setting this shop page, and these are the details about the shop page. I want the product to be kg and centimeter, and enable review. Yes, I'm leaving this as it is. So before that, I want to install a plugin. So the plugin would be Advanced Shipping. To add the shipping rate based on the weight, 20 to 30 it should be 150 rupees, 30 to 50 it should be 250 rupees, 50 to 80 it should be 350 rupees. Cool. Now let me search for the plugin. This is the plugin. Let me activate it. You can get this steps in the description box. Sorry for that. Now let's enable the taxes. So it's 28% taxes. So 28 would be split into two parts, 14 plus 14. The first 14% is fixed for the CGST, which is central tax, and the next 16% for 14% will be either to state tax or IGST. So when the first scenario happens, if the shop is in Maharashtra and the seller or the buyer is also in Maharashtra, then is CGST. So as I said, the first 14% is for CGST and the next 14% is for either yes or IGST. Now if the customer is from Maharashtra and the shop is from Maharashtra, then 14% goes to the SGST. And if the customer is other than from Maharashtra, if the customer is coming from a state which is not Maharashtra, then it's IGST. Cool. Now let's get into it. Once you install the plugin, just follow the step which I am doing it. Let me create a GST value here and click on save changes. So there would be a tab called GST rates, and now you need to create CGST, which is applicable for India, country code India, state code we don't need to specify state code, 14% rate, priority 1, and take this. Maharashtra, make this 2 priority, and other than we have 28 states. India has 28 states. You need to know all the country code, I mean the state code, which is MH for Maharashtra, AP for Andhra Pradesh. Likewise, you have to include all the states. And if you're wondering what is priority, the 1 and the 2, there should be only 1 and 2. If it is 1, it is applied compulsory. If it is 2, either one of them will be applied. So likewise, create for all states. Now let's get into the shipping. Let's create a shipping zone. First, for Maharashtra, it's free. Add shipping zone. Zone name is Maharashtra. and you can select the region, which is again India, Maharashtra. Add shipping method, and you can add multiple as well, so it's free. Click add shipping method. Now, other than Maharashtra, we have, if you remember, we have installed a plugin for other than Maharashtra. Let me create a shipping method first, shipping rate first. If this plugin doesn't work, we have another plugin. We'll use that according to weight. You can see these are the options: subtotal, taxes, quantity. We can have shipping rate according to every available possibilities. So if the weight is equal to or greater than equal to 20 kg, let me remove this. Now this is the plugin we are going to use. So this is clearly only for weight. The previous plugin, it was we can have weights according to every other possibility, but this is only specifically for weight. Other than Maharashtra, you need to include all the states by clicking control. I'm just trying to select all the states in India. Now we have to calculate this according to the weight. So add shipping method, flexible shipping, edit this, flexible shipping. Yes, we need to be we know this to be taxable. And always add 50 rupees. So as you see, this is the chart we are going to create. Let's add the second rule. If the weight is between 20 to 30, then the cost is 150 rupees. Again, if the rate is 31 to 40, so as you see, the 150 is added all the time. save these changes. So the shipping is ready for now. Now the next thing is payment. We need to log in into the Razorpay. Get started. We need to create the API key and API secret. It's only we can able to use the Razorpay. Now we need to pass this key and API. So you need to download this. Sorry, you need to log in into your account and get the API for your account. Mine won't work for you. And I believe the configuration setting is done. Now it's time to adding the product. So before adding product, we need to create the category. So we have 3 categories. Let me create all. So once the category is created, we need to create individual product. Make sure the category is selected. Let's first focus on single door. I would recommend you to follow the same step because we have already completed. I have already tried explain this in the previous 3 videos. It would be a repetition part. Since we don't have a variable product here, it's just a single product. We can directly keep on creating the product without worrying about the variation. I'm going to do the same step for every products. We have about 6 products in this store. I'm pasting this same description for every product as its tutorial. If you want to make if you don't want to make sale price, just make it blank, and SKU is a unique identity number. And don't forget to add the weight. It is helpful for calculating the shipping rates. For upsell and cross sell, you just need to add 3 words, 3 letters, and it will give you an auto suggestion. For the first product created, you don't get any options, but for the second product, you will get the previously created products as a suggestion. Don't forget to add the categories. Again, for upsell and cross sell, to give you the explanation about upsell and cross sell, upsell will be shown once you click on the particular product, and cross sell will be shown once you add a product on the cart, and on the checkout you will see the suggestion, and that is called cross sell. Finally, the last product. So on the home page we have a section called sale product. So once you add the sale price, that is when it is considered as sale product. If you don't add a sale price, it is not considered as, it won't consider as a sale product, and there won't be any products on the home page. I want you to take a note on that. So we can check the shop page. So we have 6 products. On hover you can see the changes are from the gallery which you have uploaded. Now if you get into the customization, before that let me remove all the sidebar. Click on remove. Now we have WooCommerce sidebar. It is because of the plugin which we have added, which is called WooCommerce sidebar. We need to add search bar and filter by price, and that's it. Click on publish. Once you update, you can see the output, and on the customize section you can change the color. You can see on the wish list and on the cart it was previously blue, now I'm making this black. And we can change the shop's images size. You can change the ratio as per your wish. The first one is width and the second one is height. So there is some try and error way of work. You need to see which one works better for you, and if you have a proper height and width, so this won't be a problem. So it's because mine is not working. Sorry, mine don't have a specific height and width. So the filter is also working. Now we need to add the popular products and the sale product on the home page. For that we need to add the shortcode. So you can get the shortcode here. Just copy the whole section, and you need to add a module called shortcode. And just paste it. So the popular products, we have 3 popular products. You can adjust the query accordingly. We need 4 columns. At present is showing, let me add a random value, random products instead of popular. Let me make this random. Again it is showing only 3. Let me see what mistake we have did. If I wanted to show 4 products on the home page. So let me go for the sale product. So this is the shortcode for the sale product. Again need to add shortcode module. Again we have 3 products. It's because one of the product we have missed giving as a sale. So as I have already explained, we need to fill all the sale text box while creating product. So we need to edit a particular page, for product, to add a sale item. So you can set the featured image. I have selected 5. So now let me try refreshing it. Not refreshing, just changing the shortcode. Now you should get, on the columns I have specified 4. Two works, 3 also works. Now we have 5. We have 5 places. Yes, 5 also working. The featured product is done. Now it's time for the sale product. We have only 3 sale product. And likewise you can have your sale product. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for listening.